Dionisia Calderon remembers when dozens of women laid on the floor outside a rural clinic in her Andean town of Cangallo 29 years ago. They had been told they would get free food, but when she learned they were being sterilized, she tried to run away.
The nurses realized I was escaping and shouted, "You have to come back because you're already on the list." Then I don't know if it was the doctor or the nurse who gave me an injection. They didn't even ask me. After that, I woke up in pain.
Dionisia and more than 300,000 other women were forcibly sterilized as part of a policy to control birth rates during the government of late President Alberto Fujimori. Now they hope the Inter-American Court for Human Rights, here in the case of Celia Ramos, who died after an operation in 1997, will help them find justice.
We hope that the truth will be known, that a real investigation will be opened, and that the state will recognize and repair the damage appropriately, which was at all levels.
Rights groups say victims were coerced or forced to undergo surgery. Many indigenous and poor didn't speak Spanish and were not properly informed.
There were quotas and incentives, including economic ones, for doctors and women to undergo the procedure. Also, awareness campaigns about the benefits of sterilizations.
Peru has always denied it was an abusive policy, saying women knowingly and willingly took part of the program. Rights groups want the Inter-American Court to determine that the crimes against reproductive health should be considered as crimes against humanity, because they say in the case of Peru, they were massive and systematic. This case will set jurisprudence for thousands of women left unable to bear children. Many, like Dionisia, suffered mentally and physically and faced cultural retribution. Their husbands or communities rejected or abandoned them. If the court rules in favor of the victims, the government must begin the process of reparations and detain and prosecute those responsible, as nearly 3 decades on, no one has been held accountable. Mariana Sanchez, Al Jazeera, Lima.
Make sure to subscribe to our channel to get the latest news from Al Jazeera.